Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make a sausage stew that I'm pretty sure you're going to love. With me here, I have my ingredients, and from this corner, I have some garlic, onions, and some coriander leaves. I have some turmeric, some tomato paste, but you can also use some tomatoes, or you can also use both of them. I have my soy sauce over here, some cooking oil. My spices, I'm going today with some paprika, black pepper, and some Royco powder. I have some coriander leaves. I have some salt, but you may or may not need this, and I'm going to explain it in a few. And with me, I have my beef smokies. You can also use sausages depending on what you like. And without further ado, let's get started. So before we start cooking, let me show you how I went about my sausages so that I can achieve this. You'll just take a skewer and insert it through your smoky or sausage. And once it comes out from this other side, you're going to take a very sharp knife and going to cut them through till you reach the skewer. Then you're going to go on like that, like that. And now you can notice that I'm leaving quite huge spaces. And this is because my knife is not very sharp. So once I'm done with that, I'll go in with the same knife for the second time. And now I'm going to be focusing on the middle part. Between this and this, I'm going to cut again through. So I'm going to start hapa juu tena, then I come like that, like that, like that. But if at all you have a very sharp knife, you can just make it with thin spaces. It's going to work out fine. So you see my knife is not very sharp, so that's why my sausage inatokana hivi. And yeah, so just like that, that is what you have. Then you can stretch it like this, and this will ensure that the flavor inaingia hadi huku ndani. Yeah, and that's what I have with all my other smokies. Like that, like that. So once my pan is hot, I'll go in with about a tablespoon and a half of cooking oil. Then I'm going to wait for this to become extremely hot. In the meantime, I'm going to be slicing my smokies into halves, like that. So now that I'm sure my oil is hot, I'll go in with my turmeric, and this is just to spice things up. And one thing I haven't mentioned is smokies are always ready to eat. For the longest time, I've never bought any smoky that is not ready to eat, so you can eat it as it is. I'm just going to be giving it some color, not really cooking it because it's already cooked. And yeah, so that's why I've added the turmeric because it parted that yellow color. I'm going to toss it like this so that the color can get to every corner. Now here, these slits can get some color also. And just like that, we are done with this process. So I'm going to set this aside, then we'll get started. So I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon cooking oil. Then, because our pan was already hot, I'll go in with my onions. I'm going to saute this, and once they start turning translucent, I'll go in with my next ingredient. Now that this is how I like it, I'll go in with my garlic. Then I'll also add in my coriander stems. Then I'm going to saute this for about a minute as well. Then, now that the kitchen is fragrant, I'll go in with my tomato paste, and I've mixed my tomato paste with some water so that it can lighten. And this looks amazing. So this is such a quick recipe. I'll also go in with my spices so that they can cook together. Then I'm going to let my tomato paste cook. Then I'll be back to add in my soup, and then we can finish cooking. So I'll give this about a minute, then I'll be back. So it's at this point that I'll go in with my soup, and you can add as much as you want or as little as you prefer, but I want mine to be very saucy, so I'm not going to add too much. I'm just going to add enough. I'll add a little bit more. So that should be enough. Allow me to add just a little bit more, and that should be good. At this point, I'll also go in with my soy sauce, and this is just to enhance the color mainly. Then remember, soy sauce contains some salt, so I'm going to wait for this to start boiling. Then I'll be back to taste for some salt, because remember, our smokies are ready to eat, meaning they already have some salt, and that's why I said you may not need some salt, but we'll confirm that in a few. So this has been simmering for about 3 minutes now, and you can see it's thick how I like it. So it's at this point I'll go in with my smokies, and you can see how they look pretty. Then we are going to give it about a minute so that utamu ingie ndani, and so that they can also warm up because they are cold. Then I'll be back to garnish it, and then we can have a taste test. So about a minute later, you can see that they have already opened up, and that's what we want. And you can see our stew is also very thick. So this is the perfect time to switch this off. Then I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. And this is ready for serving and tasting. So finally our stew is ready, and you can see how saucy it is. And we'll give it a taste test. I've served with some ugali and some kills. This is a good one. The sauce is good. And just have a look at this. Wow. So saucy, so delicious. Wow. And you've seen this is such an easy recipe, very saucy, very delicious, and I hope you will get to give this a try. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.